You might be suspecting or received an alert that someone unknown logged into your Snapchat account and want to log them out. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to log someone out of your Snapchat account. Without further ado, let's get started. Now just go ahead and open up our Snapchat app right over here. And once you're on the camera page, just click on your Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of your screen. And from here, click on this gear icon at the top right. And to log someone out of your Snapchat account, we need to go through the two-factor authentication option right over here under the My Account section. So tap on it. And from here, you should be able to see the Forget Devices option. So if you haven't set up the two-factor authentication on your account yet, just set that up through your mobile number or through a code generator app and just follow the simple steps. And once you set up your two-factor authentication, you should be able to see this kind of page. So tap on Forget Devices right here. And this should show the list of devices where you have logged your Snapchat account into. So if you don't recognize any of these devices, you can just click on this X icon right beside that specific device. And you can click on yes over here. So if you log in with this device, you will have to verify it again. So if that unknown person will attempt to log into your Snapchat account again, they will be going through the verification process and will not be able to log into your account because they don't have access to the two-factor authentication settings that you just have set up. So you can also change your password to add more security to your account and ensure that they won't have access to your account once again. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.